This Premier Realty Grays Harbor property video is presented by Karen Spangler. Fully remodeled home showcasing unique restored wood touches throughout, blending classic charm with modern updates. This inviting residence offers 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, ideal for comfortable living. Enjoy the convenience of a detached garage with alley access on a 0.166-acre lot and a partially fenced yard, perfect for privacy and outdoor activities. With single-level living and thoughtful updates throughout, this home offers comfort, convenience, and curb appeal. Nestled in a quiet neighborhood close to local amenities. Don't miss the opportunity to own a beautifully updated property with character and functionality in Grays Harbor County. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Karen Spangler at 360-533-1900.